Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. Lesson number 18, My Family and Home, Part 2. So students, in the last lecture, we have learned about small and big families and extended family. Now further, we will learn about a family tree. In a family, generations follow one after the other over a period of time. These generations can be shown on a family tree. Let us have a look on Rihanna's family tree. Grandmother, grandfather, aunt, that is father's sister, mother, father, uncle, that is father's brother, aunt, that is father's brother's wife, Rehana, Salim, Sail, and Sania. Next, we will see is changes in the family system. Joint family existed during the olden days. Grandparents, mother and father, uncle and auntie, brother, sister, and cousin all live in the one big family. But children, now we will see the existing in the smaller families. Such smaller family are known as nuclear family. People have started living in the different places because of their occupations. So they formed their own family. These nuclear families consist of parents, that is, mother and father, and their children. This is how the family system has changed with time. Next, we will see is our household chores. Different types of work lies every day in the house. That is storing water, cooking, cleaning and washing, and decoration of house are the household chores that need to be done every day. So children, apart from this, we need to take care of the old people in our house and also during festivals and celebrations. And we also need to welcome guests who come to our house. We need to keep our house neat and tidy all times. Like this, we have to do lot of work in our house. And to avoid burden on only one person, the household chores must be distributed among the old members in the family. Everyone in the house, where the small or big, is important. We should do this work with love and affection. We should help as much as possible. And our family take care of us and also keeps us happy. And we should therefore be respectful and good to all. And also helping them with housework is our duty. We can help our mother to keep the house clean and bring things from the market. And while doing homework, we need to take as much as help required from the elders. And we should avoid fighting amongst ourselves. Elder brothers or sisters should take care of the younger sibling, and we should not go out of the house without the permission of our elders or without informing them. And children, we should not take anything from the strangers. And also, we should not lie. And also, we should not be stubborn. And if someone from the family falls sick, we must take care of them and their needs. And always try to keep them happy. Mother does all the work in the house and also take care of the things at the home. And she also cooks food for the family. And she keeps the house clean. Father also helps mother in small household works. Keeping the house clean is everybody's responsibility, and we should not litter the house. Instead, we should make use of the dustbin to throw the garbage. This helps in keeping the environment clean too. Dry and wet garbage must be separated in two different dustbins, and manure is made from the wet garbage. And dry garbage like paper, glass, and tin sheets can be recycled. So, children, do you know the use of the mobiles, CDs, DVDs, pen drives, computers, and other electronic items has increased tremendously? When these goods become irreparable, they become useless and accumulate in the house. This is called e-waste. So students, recycling e-waste has become a challenge. Next we will see is festivals and celebrations. Our grandparents tell us about the festivals, our traditions, and also stories about their life experience. We gain an insight from these stories. We are very happy to celebrate our birthday and festivals with our family. This builds love and affection from festivals being celebrated in the families. Different types of festivals are celebrated in different parts of our country too. Agriculture is the main occupation in our country. Therefore, many festivals are related to agriculture and environment. Holi is celebrated to welcome the spring. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab at harvest time. In Maharashtra, we celebrate Bail Poda when the sowing of crops is over. Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Onam in Kerala are celebrated during the crop harvesting season. The festival Dasera, Diwali, Gudi Padwa are celebrated after the grains are cut. Paryushan Parva, Buddha Purnima, Ramzan Eid, Christmas and Pateti are important festivals. All Indians celebrate these festivals happily and greet one another. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Every citizen celebrates them. And we gained independence from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Therefore, we celebrate this day as our Independence Day. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. Hence, we celebrate this day as a Republic Day. People come together during festivals and the sense of unity amongst them increases. Songs, dances, rangolis, sports, and race are organized. This gives us great pleasure. However, we must ensure that our environment does not get harmed while celebrating these festivals. So, students, playing loud music will not only disturb old people and small children but also they do noise pollution. Do you know? And there are several advices and tribal communities in Maharashtra. The Warli tribe in Thane district celebrate the festival known as Koli Bhaji or Kauli Bhaji. This happens in the month of June at all set of monsoon. Koli is a wild plant which is used to make vegetable. This plant is grown when the rain starts. The members of the family gather fresh koli plants, cook it and offer it to the god. Later, all the members eat it together. Makar Sankranti festival is celebrated during the winter season. On this day, friends and family members give tilgul or sesame and jaggery to each other. Sesame is an important crop grown during this period. It is tasty and helps to provide warmth to the body during the cold season. So students, now let us revise what we have learned in this lesson. First, in a family, we are secure in every way. Second, families are of different types: small families, big families, and extended families. Third, a family tree shows several generations of people. Fourth, every household chore is important. Fifth, we must keep our house and surrounding clean. Sixth, many of our festivals are related to agriculture and environment. Seventh, Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Eighth, festivals increase the feeling of togetherness among us. Eighth, during festivals we meet each other, talk to each other and feel connected. Thank you.